Hey, wake up!
Oh no.
Hello everyone, konnichiwa. Welcome to our group. Our group will present about checking. So start from me as Muhammad Afi Aiman bin Rusli, SMJP1043 Section 2, and follow my members.
Hi, my name is Aisha Adiba binti Muhammad Asram Joyo. You can call me Aisha. I'm from Johor Bahru, Johor. My matrix number is A20MJ0006.
My name is Nur Amanina binti Azmi. My matrix number is A20MJ0081. I'm from SMJP1043 Session 2.
I'm Christine. My matric number is A20MJ0194 and I'm from SMJP1043 Section 2.
My name is Leong Ping, a 20-year-old boy come from Kuling Kedah, and my matric number is A20MJ0034. I'm a student from the SMJP Section 2.
I'm Yogeshwari Santanam, SMJP Section 2, and my matric number is A20MJ0120.
Group 1 is going to present, first of all, what is this bound checking that our group is talking about. In computer programming, bound checking is a method that is used to detect whether a value is located in the bound before it is used by the coding. The function of bound checking is commonly used by a lot of computer programs such as Java, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, and many more. It can be used to protect the integrity of operation or to actively perform on an order operator. It is usually used to ensure that the numbers fit into the given type, or a variable being used as an array index is within the bound of the array. As you can see in the first slide, procedure to detecting whether a variable is within some bound before its use. Some programming used to protect the integrity of operation or actively perform on an order operator. Like a variable being used as an array index is the bound of the array, index checking. Next slide is, it also solves certain problems such as array index out of bounds. If an index is out of bounds, it usually means that the value we try to access does not exist. Through bound checking, we can know the problem immediately as certain program such as Java will pop out java.lang.array_index out of bound exception that prevent us from access the out of bound value. The next slide is, however, there are quite a number of programs that do not perform bound checking. These computer programs usually emphasize on the speed and repeat execution. Hence, they sacrifice the needs of bound checking for it. These programs include C++ as well. C++ is a program that is designed in the concept that it should not be slower than C. So, when C does not perform bound checking, C++ follow. Without further ado, let us continue with our main topic today, which is now bound checking. As I said earlier on, C++ does not apply bound checking, right? Hence, we need to be careful on the certain cases when we code our programs. One of them will be the array index out of bound. When we use values as an array subscript, C++ will not help us to check whether it is valid or not. Thus, if we accidentally use an array subscript that is beyond the bound, C++ won't give us an error notification just like how Java do. For the example, in this case, the coding int array 5 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 that indicates the value 10 to 50 is stored in array 0 to array 4. As you can see, when we see out ARR4 ELDL, the value 50 is shown in the program. However, when we see out array -1, a value 0 is shown. So what is this mean? This is because there is no value assigned in array -1, and when we see out it will just see out random value. C++ will not see this as an error, but allow us to code it out. Thus, we will not know whether we make a mistake or not. So this is what we call an undefined behavior in C++. So yeah, after we run and compile the program, it will show the 50 and 0, which is 0 is that array -1 and 50 is array for 4. Okay, so next slide. To prevent from using an invalid subscript or carry out an array index out of bound. So as we can say this, due to the reason that doing so will corrupt other memory location, crash the program or lock up the computer, as well as cause elusive bugs without any warning for the programmers. The best way to solve this issue out of bound is actually be careful when we do our coding. However, there will definitely be certain time where we miss out our coding. Standard program provide us like std vector. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any comment, just comment below, and that's all from us. Thank you. Arigato.